How's it going? Paul Sokol here, and today I want to share a free tool with you that is going to help you find better audiences and better targeting, especially if you're trying to do some kind of like a live show or something like that, and you're not familiar with the artist or how you might, just talk to that audience here. So it's a really cool tool. It's free. It's called Music Map, just music-map.com, and you pop in an artist and it'll tell you what's going on. So right now today, I've got to write a couple of posts hyping up a Hoodie Allen show. Man, I've never heard of never heard of Hoodie Allen personally, and he's sold gold records. He's a hip hop artist, legit. So I popped him in a music map, and it clustered artists around him. So here he is, and you can see, okay, I guess he's people like Macklemore, they're probably gonna like Hoodie Allen. So that'll be that's my angle. That's how I've used this tool today to kind of now I can use that in the tone and language of the posts that I make as well as the targeting. So it's a really cool tool. I just want to show you how it works. Real quick, mainly because it's a visual kind of thing, but this is super handy when you're looking to, again, find similar clusters of artists or things like that. So, Brina, give me a band.
4 Years Strong.
4 Years Strong. Perfect. So she got me into 4 Years Strong. And if I'd never heard of them before, I'd type them in here and say, what do they sound like? So you can see it kind of does a clustering around them. So here they are. And so looking at this, if I needed to promote, I could say, okay, look, hey, August Burns Red, they're a big enough band, Devil Wears Prada. We could probably target people that like those kinds of bands. And you can see even further back, not super close, but Blink 182, and I'd say that yeah, there's definitely kind of that feel here. So anyway, that's Music Map. It's a pretty cool tool, and take it home with you. Use it to use it to find the music, and acts that you might want to pull through town. Have a great day.